Hi, this is Miss Kaufman. I had a lot of people come up to me and ask me about the uh, uploading pictures into to complete the grouping tiles section done. What this video is going to be is just about how to upload it. If you need help taking pictures, if you need help saving the pictures into a document, that's another thing. And the reason I don't, you'll probably need to come and see me because every device is different. I don't know how to use your Google Chromebooks all that well. This is a different program, and for cell phones I have an IBM. So the few things that you'll need, there's a couple ways to do this. The first thing is school email. So you can use a school email to upload it. A way to take your pictures. So if you don't have your Chromebook, or you're blocked, or you don't have a cell phone, just holler at me. I can take the pictures for you. That's not a problem. You need another way to do it is Google Drive, and the Google Classroom is pretty much an absolute must. There's other ways to do it. I'll accept it. I'm okay with that. However you get it to me is fine. So the first way is I'm going to show you the Google email. Okay? So this is the image that I saved already. So again, we're not talking about how to save it. We're going to just basically, oh, look at that one. He's upset. So, but who cannot love a Shar-Pei sitting on top of a little baby leopard? So I went ahead and already saved this. So I'm going to go to my email. This is my own personal email. This is not the school email. So I'm going to go ahead and compose it. So I'm going to send it to my school email, which two ways you can see it. There's my school email, skaufman@tps.org. So I've got that. And I'm going to add a picture. I know, I'm going to get you, instead of using, they want me to use Google Drive. That's the next thing I'm going to do. Okay, so I've got this, and so saving your folder, you got to remember where it's located at. And now I don't know where it's located at. Maybe it's right here. Nope. So let me go back. We're going to save this. I'm going to pause it for 2 seconds. Okay, so I went ahead and saved this paper. So I'm going to go back to the there. I typed in my email. Now this is going to be very similar for what you do on your cell phone, or if you do Google your Chromebook. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save it here, and I know which one it's at, and I've got this image. Okay, I'm going to send it. Okay. All right. Give me a second, please. I'm going to pull up the information from my school email. Okay, so I have this here. There's two ways to do this. You can either save it onto your Chromebook, or you can add it to Google Drive. There are cell phone apps where you can just specifically put it in Google Drive and put it in Google Drive. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just download it, and I've got it here. And I'm going to save it. Okay, so we've got it already saved. I sent it from one email to another. I need to save it on my Chromebook. I've got to make a copy, and then I've got to save it. Yes. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to go to Google Classroom. I'm going to go to Google Classroom, and let me just go ahead and go to Google Classroom. Okay, this is my setup. I think it's pretty similar to what you guys have. I go to pre-algebra and go to multiplication of grouping. And multiplication of grouping. And I'm going to go either here or here, one of them. Okay, after I took the picture I have to open in a new window, and I have to save it. There's a lot of little steps that come with this. Okay, I got to open with Google Docs. I'm sorry. Okay, so I take my pictures of 3 ways to get to 16. Then you're going to go to Insert, Image, from Computer. Here's my Sharpay. There you go. There's one. Now, so that's how you can do it onto your Google, from saving it from your computer, from your email. If you notice, we have 3. I'll come back to this, okay? All right, the other way to do it is you can go download the app and get the Google Drive. So I'm actually going to go here and going to go to Google Drive. I'm going to go back here and Google Drive. So this is a different service. You can go on, it's really cool. I have it downloaded on my phone. So all you need to do is go to Google Drive and upload your picture that you need to see. Okay? Now, if you pause for a second. Okay, so I can go here. When I go back to my email, or you can save it already on your phone, there's an app again for that, so you can just upload it. So I'm going to save it. This one's saying download. I'm going to save it to my drive. Adding to my drive. Okay? Alright, so now I'm at my Google Drive once again. I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick. Google, not Classroom, Drive. And I'm going to open up Google Drive once again. And so I'm right here. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive. I just want to make sure the picture's in here. Okay? And the picture is here. It's right here. Okay? It's already in my Google Drive. Again, there's an app for that. I'm going to stress it as many ways as I can. So 3 ways to get to 16. I'm going to Insert. And again, there's 2 ways you can get this. You got a link, you can save it as a link, you can do that. So there's not one set way. So here's Google Drive. There's my recent. There you go. Uploaded. Okay. I know this wasn't the best tutorial, but it's a little, there's several ways to do it, and these aren't the only 2 ways. So just so that you guys kind of get an understanding, okay? The best trick is to go and do. Now, one thing I want to stress is that we have 3 ways, so we have 3 pictures. This way we have 4. This way we have 1, we have 2, 3. So you can't just take 5 pictures and expect it to be done. This is 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 10, 13. So there's 13 pictures that need to be uploaded. For everybody, and I probably will make sure I won't accept it till it's done. Okay, so if you guys need any help, just ask a teacher, ask myself, ask another student. They'll help you get through it. Okay, have a good day, kiddos.